Hi guys!
Welcome back to another favorites, and this time it is August favorites. I can't believe one more month has passed. Time is going so quickly. I don't know why I feel that. But without any further ado, let's get started.
Usual, starting with skincare favorites, I have the Earth Rhythm Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So I bought this on Shreya Jain's recommendation, of course. And this is so good. It's so lightweight in consistency. बहुत sticky या कुछ भी नहीं है. And hyaluronic acid is a very good ingredient for your skin, of course. बहुत अच्छे से hydrate करता है. And the reason why I'm mentioning this in this video is because August was a very bad skin month for me. I had a lot of texture and bumps, and this really helped to calm my skin down, and it just worked really nice. This is the only new product I used in my routine, so I guess this really worked.
My first skincare product is this Roop Mantra Aloe Vera Gel. I am literally halfway there. So August was a very busy month for me. I didn't have time to do any skincare routine. कुछ toner, serum, कुछ नहीं. I just used to apply this day and night. That's it, because there's a lot of things going on back end. So ना ही मेरे पास कोई space थी कि मैं 10 product उठा के इधर करूँ उधर करूँ. So this has been my savior in August. Again, you can never go wrong with aloe vera gel. So yeah, this is really good, and this one is quite affordable. I guess ये 228 rupees का है, and it lasts for a long period of time.
Then moving on to makeup favorites. After a really long time, some makeup product has actually really excited me, and I have the My Glam Twist It Volumizing and Curling Mascara. Oh my god, this mascara is such a refreshing mascara for me. To be very honest, हम दोनों हमेशा Maybelline mascaras के बारे में rave करते थे for the most part, but this is so good. This is for 645 rupees. I am wearing it on my lashes right now. इतने दूर से तो आपको नहीं दिख रहा होगा, but oh my god, this is so good. इतना अच्छा length, volume, curl, jet black, and काफी long lasting भी है. I'm not sure if this is waterproof or not, but I don't really care about it. And you can find My Glam on discounts all the time. I got this in PR, but मजे आ गए मुझे तो ये use करके.
For me, my favorites are these lipsticks by Eba Cosmetic. So I collaborated with them. So they sent me the new lipstick trio. So these lipsticks can be used as contour, blush, and as lipstick. And I have 3 shades, and these 2 are my favorite. This is M14 Cinnamon Chai and M19 Nude Alert. Both of them are nice. One is a very nude shade and one is a pinky nude shade. So I love both of these. And yeah, like these are like those Maybelline lipsticks, the nude nuance one, which we love.
Creamy matte.
Yeah, the creamy matte. Yeah. So ये वैसे ही है, but much more cheaper than that. And there's a trio, so you have a lot of shades. So yeah, I really love this.
Okay, so the next favorite that I have is actually a service by Urban Company. I opted for their Elysian Pina Colada cleanup. I usually do get my cleanups done from them every now and then, but they recently launched this new range and I was excited to try it. I think it was for $6.99 or $7.99. I'm not sure. I will place a screenshot over here. Oh my god, it was so relaxing, refreshing, and it just was much needed for my skin. As I mentioned, it was a very bad skin month for my skin, and firstly the technician that came to my place, I think most of the credit goes to her because उसने बहुत अच्छे से time लेके मेरे skin पर काम किया. But the products were so hydrating and इतना अच्छा glow आया मेरे skin पे ना. I did it before Raksha Bandhan, so festival के पहले करने के लिए this is like a perfect option, and of course it is at the comfort of your house. So I think it's great. You all should definitely try it out.
For me, my next favorite thing is a treatment. So I got my laser treatment done. So if you guys have noticed, I am wearing braces from a long period of time. Also, I had a extra muscle over here at the center of my teeth. So through laser, I got that. I got rid of that. Also, I got my smile done better. So earlier, when I used to smile like this, my gums used to be very visible. So I got I don't know the exact word for it, but like literally they just chopped off my gums from the upper teeth.
I guess उनको align कर दिया properly उन्होंने.
Exactly. Yeah. So the entire treatment has been really good. Obviously, जिस दिन laser था, I was very irritated. I couldn't eat hot food for 24 hours and all that. That was very annoying. But the end result looked so good, so I was so happy with it. Also, my braces treatment hopefully are at a very end. I guess by next 2 months it should be out, so I'm very excited for that as well.
Okay, so the next favorite that I have is this bag right here. This is from Caprese. I ordered it from Myntra. Now, I'm a person who will use one handbag for 2 years and then मैं कुछ और use करूँगी. Of course, दूसरे bags हैं मेरे पास, but those are like sling bags, party bags. ये मेरा regular office bag, running errands वाला bag है. So मैं हमेशा ना plain black bags के लिए जाती थी. This is also plain black, but it has a little something on the front, so it is a bit dressier than a plain black. बहुत serious office vibes नहीं देता है ये. And it has these small handles and a bigger handle as well, which is great. And अंदर भी काफी spacious है, अच्छे compartments है, and it is of course good quality because it's from a very known brand. So I'm really enjoying using this. इसके पहले जो मैं bag use करी थी वो मैंने 3 साल यूज किया. जो मैंने Shein से ऑर्डर किया था वो पूरा फट चुका था. So I was like, you know, it's time to upgrade.
Next favorite thing is that I'm getting my house painted. So as I told you in the start of the video that I'm very busy these days, so that is the reason I'm busy. So I'm getting my entire house painted, and especially my room, I'm getting my room painted. So it has been the most tedious thing also, but also a very happy moment for me because मैं वो room से अब थक गई थी. मैं literally 20 साल से वो room को वैसे ही देख रही हूँ. So now I wanted a change. So yeah, it's been very hectic, but I am loving the process of it, and I am sure you guys will also see the results soon. I'm going to vlog the entire room transformation, so stay tuned for that.
And moving on to our favorite show of the month. So I have a movie this time, and not just any movie, a Bollywood movie after so long, and that is Shersha. So it is on Amazon Prime, and I don't even need to say about it. It is hyped like crazy now on the internet, and it has gotten such good reviews. And बहुत time बाद ना कोई Bollywood movie has excited me so much. I laughed so hard in that movie. I cried so much in that movie. It was such a really nice. Usually my genre is not a lot of patriotic movies, but this was something different. It just went through my heart. Like, it was really good. You will have to watch it for yourself. The acting, the scenes, the story, everything was top notch. And बड़े time बाद कोई Bollywood movie देख के मजे आए. So yeah, that is my favorite movie.
I have a favorite show. It is called as Ginny and Georgia. It is on Netflix. So it's about a mother and a daughter duo. So the mother conceived the daughter when she was 16 years old.
Okay.
So she was a
Teenage
young mother.
Teen mom.
Yeah. So now they are showing the part of a daughter where even she is teen and what all things are she going through and all that. So it's a fun series. I like that.
Okay, now moving on to our favorite day of the month. So कोई particular day तो नहीं है as usual, but this entire month I have been so caught up with work in a good way. It is obviously a good thing. So this month Raksha Bandhan tha, and as I mentioned, I was working with Purnia's pop-up shop, and I just didn't expect the response to be so overwhelming. Like, एक हद तक आप imagine करते हो ना, but this was like too much for me, and in a good way. I enjoyed so much. I learned so much in this process. It was such a nice collaboration. I hope to work with them next year as well, and I hope that happens. But it was just a great learning process, and I hope ऐसी और भी opportunities आए. मतलब, this was something so new for me, but I will never ever forget this. So it was like the highlight of the year for me.
That's nice. My favorite day has to be my birthday, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That was the best weekend for me. Obviously, Friday with her, and you know, this time the most special thing for me is that with everyone I did some experience. Like, you know, it was not just a lunch. Like, she gave me a spa, which was so relaxing and nice. With my school friends, we did a candle making workshop. You guys know how much I love scented candles, so we made scented candles from scratch. And with my families, I played cards, like, you know, Teen Patti and all. I love playing cards, so wo kiya. So I obviously had fun talking and all, doing all that, but doing some experiences, like, you know, some small activities, I love that, and that was the highlight of the month for me.
So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then
don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.